Alright, people, a couple of days ago, the Prime Minister Kishida was in Wakayama to do a speech, or something like a rally speech. Cool. Please tell me what is going on in Japan. Read these prime ministers recently, or former prime ministers, because this is the second attack in a year, less than a year. No one was injured, thankfully, but something is happening in the country now, and I'm praying to God it wasn't a foreigner, because if it was a foreigner, Lord, you know how quickly they send us out of the country. Anyway, let me slow down my speech because I've been told that I speak too quickly. Now, what has happened is that he was attacked by somebody threw a cylindrical object. It exploded and released some white smoke. No one was injured. But let's look at the video and just look how tell me if I'm wrong. Just look at this.
午前11時半ごろ、衆議院和歌山1区の補欠選挙の応援に訪れていた岸田総理が演説に向かうところ、男が発煙筒のようなものを投げつけ爆発しました。当時の状況としては、岸田首相が現場の視察として利用し街頭演説の場所に向かう途中でした。近くにいた人によると、前から4、5列目にあたりにいた背が低い若い男が銀色のような発煙筒を飛ばしたというふうに言っていました。その後少し経ってからドーンという爆発音がして、私も現場にいたのですけれども、体をすくめてしまうほどの大きな音がしていました。周りにいた人々は悲鳴を上げて一目散に逃げていました。岸田総理は無事ですぐに車で現場を離れていました。爆発物を投げた男はその場で取り押さえられ、怪我人は
Like, I don't get it. Like, how is someone still able to get access to the prime minister that this close to throw something? I don't know. I'm really not so confident now with security. It's the second time. The last time somebody walk up to Prime Minister Abe and shot the man. This guy was in a stone throw away of ending this Prime Minister's life by throwing a smoke bomb or whatever. And apparently they said that they won't allow any attack to affect the democracy in the country. But people are not happy and they're acting out. You know, imagine Japanese people acting out. Scary. Scary. Ugh. Let me know in the comments down below, like, what do you think about the situation here? And is it time for me to pack up and leave this country? Because, you know, yeah. Oh. 現場から中継です。Let me know what you think in the comments down below, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah.